Okay, I think it's time to watch the super famous stage that virtually everybody in the comments of my EXO video has commented about this stage. So that tells me that it's very impressive or very important. I think this is a link that somebody gave me. This is a good video to watch when you're ovulating. Guys, what? This is the 19+ part of the concert? What am I about to watch? Oh! Alright, this is the group with Baekhyun. He looks so baby. I'm assuming, based on the fact that the comments said 19+, that nobody is baby at this time. He looks very twink. Oh my god. Seven. This guy's so cutie. The instrumental is so cool. That guy's so cutie. Oh, his eyes are so pretty. What the fuck? Oh, this part is so good. His fucking voice. Guy is so cute. I can't get over him. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So here's the thing. I was told that there was 12, and then was it 6 in the K one, the Korean one, and then 6 in the Chinese one, like the 2 units or groups. I don't really know how. I don't know. So then but there was more than 6 in some of the music videos. That's where I'm confused, because you guys said that there's a Korean music video and then a Chinese music video. So were they all involved in the Korean music videos and all involved in the Chinese music videos? Or were there only Korean members in the Korean and then The song is so fun. Baekhyun, please. I need to learn their names so bad, other than Kai and Baekhyun. He looks so cute. Who are these people?
Don't you worry, baby.
Why include that? Ooh. Guys, it's so good. That guy's fucking voice. That one. The one. Sorry, is it not? Him too. What do you mean by that? Oh, I can't see you, we're blind. Oh my god. Guys, it is so pretty. That guy doesn't stop fucking smiling. Help. I am trying to pause it. Baekhyun. Baekhyun and his voice. Oh. Help me! I wasn't expecting rap to come out of his cute ass face. His tone is good. Oh my god. That man, this is the guy that I liked before, isn't it? You guys said his name. CH, I think. CH. Chen. Chen, I think, is the one that I think Chen is the one that I liked, and I think that is Chen. I think this is Chen. Maybe. I wish he never sang. Guys, the makeup on him is perfect. And then Kai. Oh! Oh my god, the one guy doesn't shut the fuck up. I love this song so bad. Hello? Let's calm down. So you guys said that they for sure sing live, like always. Which means that they were singing live just there. Which means, what the fuck? Next Thunder. So that was White Noise then. White Noise is drugs. Cocaine. So cute! Oh my god, he sounds so fucking good too. The water. No. This tone. I just don't. Oh. It sounds so sensual. The switch? Oh my god, that guy's, I don't know, the vibrato, is that what it is? When they like vibrate their, he's the one. Ooh, that part of the instrumental was cool. Guys, the instrumental goes zoom. This one cannot sing. Ooh. They have a lot of different tones in this group. I was gonna ask who that was singing. It was Chen. Ooh, see, that deep is necessary too. Why is Kai always possessed by something? Oy. He has like very clear voice. Thunder, thunder, thunder. Kai is such a good performer. Thank you. Oh my god, yes. So there's two rappers? Guys that note. That fucking harmony. It's so good. He's so pretty boy twink.
PLAYBOY.
The fuck? With the devil? The devil. Ooh. We're feeling ourselves on stage, like actually feeling ourselves. The instrumental is... The instrumental has like this... happening in it. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Ooh. I love this little fast. Why is he staring into our soul? Why is he staring into our soul? This choreo is so fun! Well, yeah. Yeah. Hello? Harmony? These outfits are so it for this performance. Especially Kai's. Who's that? Okay. Oh, what? Oh! Of course it's him, okay. 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 Oh my god, it's so fucking pretty. Guys, wait, I'm just clocking onto the lyrics. Just now. Kai loves his job. Kai absolutely loves his job. Props are a no. A! Oh. Guys, it's instrumental! Why are we is this Magic Mike? Eee. This feels so pop. Like the instrumental. It's the vocals are so low in this one too. Was that him? No, okay. I was gonna say there's no way. Who was that? Was that Baekhyun? Who was that? I think that was Baekhyun. Fuck me, his voice is so good. I'm so sorry. I apologize. I apologize from the bottom of my heart, but what the fuck are we doing? What are we doing? Why are we writing something? Why are we writing something on stage? 19 plus. 19 plus. You know, Kai loved that shit. Shut the fuck up. Oh my god, they're so wet. No. Hey! Is it the guy in the middle? Who is that? Okay. Oh, the ad-libs. Hello, his eyes. Who is that? That was good. That? Oh my god, it's so good. Sorry. Why do I know? How am I doing this with my shoulders at the same time they go to do that with their shoulders? Guys. Oh my fuck? Guys, that was so impressive. I just don't want to look at him. Oh, we're gonna ride it again. The screaming every time they do it is so relatable. Oh, we put it down. That might be scarier. Ugh. Guys, they do love to feel up on themselves. Live, by the way, I guess. Just take the shirts off, I guess. This part of the song is so good. That one is a lesbian. That guy, lesbian. They're Shakira. They use their hips quite a bit. The stage is so fucking big too. Oh, it's so good. Oh, we aren't done? We should be done. Oh, it's so fun. Oh, don't. They're trying to make it as least yaoi as possible by facing away from each other. Are they like the two main dancers? Man, what the fuck was that? What was that? And why did you guys tell me to watch that? What is wrong with you to want me to watch that? This all reflects back onto you. I loved all of those songs, especially White Noise. I think White Noise was like my song. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!